In this diagram, P has coordinates negative 8 and T right over there. It's a point in the Cartesian plane such that OP is 17 units, and we have a reflex angle XOP designated as theta. So that's that over there. Remember, this is our reference angle between the x-axis and the actual radial we're given, or the terminating line segment. Okay, let's drop a altitude so we can complete our little triangle. This is the x value, so it's horizontal, and T will be vertical. That's our next, my bad, just a little referencing stuff. Calculate the value of T. Well, that's going to be a Pythagorean problem, because T squared is equal to, well, the hypotenuse is 17, square that, minus 8, that's also all squared. Give credit to the Greek. There we go. So T squared is equal to 15 squared. Thusly, T is equal to plus or minus 15. You can also write that as 225 if you so choose. Therefore, our T, our specific T, is equal to negative 15 because it sits underneath the x-axis where y values are negative. So that's how that works. Now, determine the value of cosine of negative theta. So for a cosine of negative theta, so negative theta is a location over here. It's in the fourth quadrant. Here's negative theta. Remember, negative rotations are clockwise, and our positive rotations are anti-clockwise. That's the positive theta direction. So, because it's cosine, cosine's positive over there, so this just reduces to cosine of theta, which in this case is equal to, well, adjacent over hypotenuse, which is negative 8 over 17, if I'm reading correctly. Next, B, 1 minus sine of theta. Sine is opposite, right over there, over hypotenuse. So it's 1 minus negative 15 over 17. Let's bracket that. Well, because we have 17 as a denominator here, we'll change 1 into that. So that will be 17 over 17. So that's the value of 1. So anything divided by itself. Plus 15 over 17. Because two negative values multiplied by each other gives us back a positive value. So, well, 17 plus 15 is 32 over that self same 17. It could get more simpler than that, but please message me if you find that way.